How to create a new story on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a new story on Wattpad easy and fast. So first thing, go to Wattpad and create an account or log into your account, and then go down here to this little icon of the pencil. Click on it and now it will take you to this page. Click on create a new story. Now choose the cover of your story and then the story title, for example Jacob, and the story description, a man, a boy with a dream, and click next. Now you can start writing your story from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.